A heavy ball is suspended from the ceiling of a motor car through a light string. The transverse pulse travels at a speed of 60 cm per second on the string when the car is at rest, and 62 cm per second when the car accelerates on the horizontal road. Find the acceleration of the car. Right. Now, first of all, what is happening is that it is fixed to a ceiling, right, and the car is at rest. So no pseudo force will act on this sphere. So it is at rest. It is in equilibrium condition. T will be equal to mg. Fine. And the wave velocity will be given by under root of t by mu. Right. So this, let it be t1 and t1. And well, this wave velocity is given to me as 60 centimeter per second. Fine. And secondly, what is happening is that when it is accelerating with let's say A, then the string will be in this position because of the pseudo force that is acting in this direction. Fine. So tension is this, mg is this. Let this angle be theta. So what I can write is t cos of theta is equals to this will be t, so this will be t cos theta, that will be equal to mg, and t sine of theta, that is equals to ma. Right. So what I'll do is square and add both of the equation. So it comes out t square is equals to mg square plus ma square to the this, fine, equal to t square. Now I had to calculate the acceleration of the car. Fine. Now we know in this case the velocity is given by under root of t by mu, and here velocity is given by 62 centimeter per second. So it is better to take the ratio of both of them, of first and second equation. So I have 60 by 62 is equals to under root of t1 by t2, because mu is same, because the string is same. Fine. So I substitute the value of t1, that is given by mg, divided by the value of t2, that is given by mg square plus ma square to the power 1 by 2. Fine. So the m gets cancelled over here. Right. Now just substitute the value of g as 10 meter per second square and solve for the value of a. You will get the value of a as 3.7 meter per second square. That is the answer.